Okay, we're gonna have a car wash here at Woodman in Menomonee Falls, Wisconsin. Over there's the Sam's Club in Menomonee Falls. And how about we go for the right, okay? Let's go for the right. Okay, so we're gonna purchase the express wash for $4. This is the express wash right here. Alright, gonna enter the code, okay? Alright, hit the code button first. Three seven 4 8 1. Okay. And this is a PDQ Tandem. Right here, the Pro Touch. This is my PDQ Tandem. Hadn't been here for a while ever since. And there's a guy getting in the car. And we're going to pause the video until we are ready. Be right back. Okay, now we are back now. I'm going to get ready to enter. Watch the sign. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go inside this thing. It's a PDQ Tandem. Ooh. What was that? Whoa. Pulling us, tell us to pull forward, and there we go. And we're gonna watch the Pro Touch. Let's see how well they do. Huh, that thing is not working, but I think that's probably just for the, for the Extreme or Deluxe or the Ultimate. We're gonna get to those later. We're gonna get to those parts later on some other videos like these. And here comes our pre-soak. So right now we are starting out with some pre-soak. Here come our brushes. This is the classic wash, by the way. We're gonna get some more washes later. And here they come. Look at that spray of water up there. Hadn't been here for a long time. For a while. Alright, here we go, the top brush. Come on. Here comes our front brush. This is go clockwise, by the way. This brush here goes clockwise, or at least like counterclockwise or something. But I'm really thinking it's going clockwise.
Counterclockwise.
Yep, it's counterclockwise actually. Which is right now it's going backwards. Here we go. Let me see this one from up here. Sorry. Okay. You'll make sure the view of the back. Right there. I'm gonna go to the other side actually. Alright. It's gonna go to the back right now. I'm gonna check it out. There it goes. There it goes. Goes to the back. Right now, it's going there. Oh, that's noisy. And it's coming to my side. So here we go. Alright, it's coming to my siren now. Ready? You guys are about to get brushed. You guys got brushed, y'all. Ha! Hello, you guys got brushed. You just got scrubbed by that car wash scrubber. I'm just kidding. It's just a brush that just scrubbed my side. Alright, gotta get some rinse. There's the water spray up there. And there we go. That's the intercom coming from the supermarket, okay? Okay, Dad? I don't know why it's connected. I don't know why there's speakers that are here. We got Sealer Wax right now. I'm gonna make a part 2 of the self-checkout at Woodman's. That's the new menu too. Also, if you want to watch the part 1 video of the self-checkout of the part 1 video of the new menu, the Woodman's, the brand new one, you'll go check it out in the link in the description. And watch this. This is a Max Dry up here. And you can see out here, this is very cool. It actually, you get a spot-free rinse, and then it'll give you the dry at the same time. That's very cool. And there it goes to the back. Here come again. Listen to that. It's like we're flying an airplane for some reason. Oh, look. We have a little bit of turbulence. My bad. I mean, no. It's actually just a joke. I'm just joking, y'all. It's kind of like an airplane for some reason. And we're almost done. There we go. Now we're finished. Thank you guys for watching this car wash video at Women's. Also, once again, if you want to check out that self-checkout video of a part 1 video of the self-checkout, check it out in the link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.